Hello everyone. So from the metric of YouTube and the analytics of our videos, we found out that you really actually love the Finch swinging videos. So we added two more swinging to the little lovely cage. Maybe later on I will just change the direction of this swing. Yes, so now I change the direction and I think you agree with me that this is much better than the previous one. Yeah, so I hope to see them swinging in the group. Yes, and then I will share with you the video. Yes, go on swing, little finches. We want to see you swinging. Yes, go. You're not interested yet? Yes, so see you next time.